The Lodge at Sonoma is a luxury hotel by Marriott. It is under the Autograph Collection portfolio. It means these upper-scale hotels are independently owned but operate under the Marriott brand. The hotel offers various types of rooms. If you're here for a wellness retreat or a wine tasting tour, the cabins are definitely ideal options. As a family of 3, we opt for a standard hotel room in the main building during our stay. We arrived kind of late, but luckily Uber Eats was still delivering for us. Although the hotel was independently owned, the Marriott Bonvoy benefits would still be applicable, such as free drinks and free breakfast. This is called the Dream Wall. You're making a wish in front of a 400-year-old oak tree. In here, people are leaving their wishes in a bottle. For those who want to work on their morning routine, they do have a pretty decent gym. There are some local attractions just a few minutes away. You will also find local markets that are interesting. Sonoma is the infamous wine country. You will find wineries within 15 minutes or so. Olive oil tasting is another fun activity.
But you see how thick that is? It is not gonna mix. So you're gonna do your first olive oil shot.
By the way, if you are a fan of Snoopy, Santa Rosa is the home of Snoopy. It is just 15-20 minutes away. You can find out more from the next video. If you like my video so far, please do subscribe and like. I'll see you next time.